Hi, I'm Charlie from Charnwood, and this is the SS16F 16-inch scroll saw. It is perfect for hobby, craft and model making, and is fitted with a powerful 90-watt smooth running motor, which can be controlled by the electronic variable speed knob or the foot pedal switch. The SS16F scroll saw can cut up to a depth of 50mm in various materials, and its 406mm throat allows diverse shapes to be worked. There is an adjustable height foot clamp to hold the workpiece down against the table and prevent it chattering. An air blower keeps dust away from pencil lines to ensure they remain visible when following a template. The transparent guard keeps the operator safe from contact with moving parts. The addition of the foot pedal switch will transform the way you work with the saw. Once you've tried it, you will never want to be without it. The ability to start and stop without removing your hands from the workpiece allows you to work quicker and more precisely, especially with complex designs. The cast work table has a tilting function from 90 to 45 degrees and 2 slots to mount the sliding mitre fence for when a straight cut rather than freehand is required. A cast iron base provides stability and keeps vibration down to a minimum. It has 3 mounting points for those wishing to secure it to a workbench. A battery-powered LED light on a flexible shaft allows light to be positioned directly onto the cutting area. There are 2 types of scroll saw blades available, pin end and plain end. The SS16F can use either type. Pin-ended blades are easier and quicker to install. They simply hook over the blade hanger. Plain-ended blades can be made thinner and therefore more often used for very fine or intricate cutting. They require 2 blade clamps to be fitted prior to use. To assist, there is an integral setting jig cast into the upper arm of the scroll saw. The jig ensures the clamps are set at the correct distance apart. Blade clamps can then simply hook over the top and bottom hangers, and blade tension is applied through the quick action lever. On the side of the saw is a storage compartment to keep spare blades and surface tools safe and ready to use. To start a cut in the center of a board, you simply slacken off the tension knob and lift up the head. Place your board over the blade, then simply fit the blade back onto the holder and retension. To add another level of versatility to the scroll saw, we also include a power takeoff to fit a flexible rotary shaft. The rotary shaft has a 3.2mm collet chuck compatible with Dremel type tools. And we include a 64-piece accessory kit enabling a wide variety of applications such as engraving, carving, routing, cutting, sanding and polishing.